Let us draw this. Now, this is the lifeline of this entire drawing. We will keep this in mind while we'll be drawing. Let's take one more layer. And from here, we will draw the foundation from the forehead, a little circle but a little oval. And then we will divide into two. Then we will get one more direction. This half we will divide into three equal direction from here, and then we will draw the backbone. This is the rib cage. So pelvic, see, this is what we are doing. We are drawing the foundation. This is the thigh and the patella, and the fit area is like this. Then you draw the other leg also, and this is what it is ready. The shoulder ball, again a cone. There's one more cone for the hand. Look at the hand shape, and then we would look into it, the how it is looking. I missed out the hand to be drawn. Let us draw the hand of left and right hand, and then this is ready. We add the lifeline, the yellow color, and now you see that our infrastructure is ready. Let us put it here on the page. We drew the lifeline for our understanding. Draw the circle, divide into half, and then half becomes one third, one third, one third. And then we draw the shoulder circle. This is the hand where entire body weight is there, and from here the rib cage which moves towards the pelvic. Now pelvic has a turn. From here, from the shoulder line, we'll draw the direction of the size of the thigh. From here we get the legs here, and then we draw the enter thing. Once this is ready, we start drawing the head. From here I will draw the nose. From nose, the eyes are much easy because it's a side view. Side view portraits are much easier than the front view portrait. And then you draw the face with the mouth and lips and the chin, and then you can draw on the throat line. Then individually you can start working on individual part. So what I have done is that I have started easily drawing the individual body parts. See, this is the single strokes, you have to work on it. And then when you're working on the single strokes, you ensure that you bring that characteristics of a gymnastics, because you are walking someone who is very strong in legs and shoulders and hand, because she can hang, she can rotate, she can do a lot of stops, and then she's very strong, and then that strong strength is actually shown in her muscles. But at the same time she's so flexible that it shows in her entire posture, that how flexible it is. And then when you're drawing it, you have to ensure that that flexibility and the muscle strength is quite visible. At the same time she is again a lady. Now we have to keep her feminine character in it. And now see, when I have started drawing the shades of it, this is only a mechanical pencil with zero point 0.5 mm HB pencil. And from here I am working on the grayscale part, and see how it is changing the entire the main part of the drawing is changing, and you will enjoy this process of grayscaling. And suddenly you see there is a shadow coming on the face, or because of the leg, and then the hairs. See, while I'm drawing, it's the second part of drawing. I'm drawing in sitting in a hotel in Delhi, and the sun is falling the same direction. The light is falling on the sky, though it's a little become yellowish, but it's a pure sunlight, and I'm enjoying drawing in the sunlight. And see how the entire part of the body is drawing it. And see, every part of the graphite I'm filling it up and enjoying the process. So whenever you see all my videos, you would see that I enjoy the process of graphite. Be patient, don't rush on it. While you are working on these wrinkles, ensure that first you draw the wrinkle, and top of it you give the shading so that it becomes a part of the skin. It should look like the skin has got wrinkle, rather than you have drawn it and made it a rough. And you have to ensure that every part of the legs is actually looking well as per this. And then there is a gradual progression of shadows. And see, here I am filling up with entire shadows because I have to show this reflection of light from the uh, page, because I am not coloring that part. I am not trying to erase it, and I'm keeping the page white, so that while I draw this looks as shiny as body looks like, because of the sweat. She is actually sweating at this moment of this high intense gymnastics. and then when it is drawn, you see how the muscles are popping up, how this tension which is shown in the leg is so much of visibility. And see, I am spending time on ensuring that the calf muscles are popping, and it's not too much exaggeration, but at the same time it is actually looking so wonderful. And now the main challenge comes up, that how do I show this leg such a thick big muscles, where your quadriceps, the outer sweep, the hamstrings, the glutes, this everything is so much of visible, the strength, yet I am holding back the softness of this human. So I am filling up with lot of shades. If you look at this, if you observe, I am giving almost 6 7 layers slowly. And before I move to 2B and 4B pencil, I'm actually working on with this mechanical pencil, ensuring the desired values are there. And once the desired values are there, and then see, I have taken a 4B pencil to get that darkness which I'm looking for it. See, and all the strokes which I'm giving it in such a way that I don't have to use a blender, but at the same time my pencil strokes are not visible. So yes, now working on this part, see, it's not easy. It looks like very fast, but I have spent a lot of time ensuring that every bit of it is working on it. If you still have a confusion, you can let me know. Then in next session, I can actually spend little lesser speed showing that how I do that. But at the same time, see, this is the 4B which I'm using it, and giving it all these details will be there in the description, where you can actually go and get the link and you can buy it. And if probably you can use it also, you'll enjoy that. And now see, once I my thighs are over, again for the wrinkle part, I have given the strokes, and top of the strokes I am working on the graphite. And when I'm using the graphite, I'm ensuring that this is a part of this body, this is not additional part. And with this bent, her obliques are squeezed, her skins on the abs are wrinkled, but at the same time she shows that she doesn't have a fat in that love belly. And from here, I work on this sports bra, which is very light shadow is there with a lot of reflective light, just showing her curve in the breast. At the same time, this is where I started working on the hand and the shoulder. And see, this shoulder is so beautifully drawn, and every part of the shine, you're working on it. The nerves, you can see how I have worked on the nerve. First I drew the nerve, and top of the nerve I drew one more layer, so that it again looks like a part of the body. And the muscles, the triceps, which is really popping up, and giving it a beautiful. Thank you for staying till the last end of the video. Now you have to do one thing for me. You have to forward it to one person whom you think that this video can help. And also, I want you to press the subscribe button and the bell button, so whenever I put a video, you can get the notification. And comment below that is this technique is helping you, what else you want to learn. Put your comments so that I can add it and I can use that feedback. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing.